redfish, right?
This is Redfish Island, correct. Something else to work into your watch schedule, Mike, is an engine room check. Every so often, take a look down in the engine room just to make sure everything looks okay. You're not going to be like checking the oil or anything like that, but I mean, you're just
Making sure nothing's happening down there. Okay.
Oh, that is big.
And it's huge.
Real common to see dolphins bow riding these big guys.
Oh, okay.
Real common.
He's not even full.
No. But we still got a lot of room.
Like, what? Oh, thank you. What?
What are you guys doing? Smells good.
Thank you.
It's warm in here.
Very hot in here, isn't there? I blame Connor. He has a propane on.
Oh, that's
See, the rice is nice.
What you cooking?
Fire.
curry. I am cooking chicken curry.
Looks very good.
Thank you.
Here's the chicken.
Ryan said that we won't need a cornstarch. I baked.
Probably. Oh, yeah, maybe we will. I don't know. You can also just reduce it.
You could, yeah.
So we got the anchor out.
Yeah, I heard that. That's what Dad said.
Yep. Yeah.
There's the anchors coming in. There's this chains coming in. I'll show you guys.
It's all good news.
Oh, good.
Both engines, we got water coming out of both.
This has got pretty good chain on it.
It was nice.
What's that?
Said this was a nice little anchorage, redfish.
All right, what's the word from the front?
We are pulling up anchor.
Oh, you're saying down? What, tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow, Wednesday.
Oh, that's breathing. Ships on the horizon and stuff.